Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Uh, from quantlabs.net. Okay, what you're looking at, or I'll be showing you here, is I did a video last night about portfolio optimization, bid and ask analysis. I'll show you that for those that are on the podcast or that are new to all this. So as I load up my youtube.com/quantlabs, you will be able to find what I'm referring to. So if you go under videos here, this video is becoming...
Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today we're going to talk about quant.
Okay, here we go. So this video is called New Cryptocurrency Futures Trading Bot with Bid and Ask Analysis. Okay, so if you follow that, this will continue the conversation. On top of that, if you want to know more about this stuff and just want some trading PDFs, go over to quantlabs.net or type in free if you're on the Facebook page. All right, so here we are with some analysis that I wanted to show. Last night, crypto has been in a really severe decline over the last 24 hours, let's say. Bitcoin's lost $1,000. But the only one that seems to be potentially profitable is this one, XTZ or TZOS, where the number of buys is greater than the number of sells. This has a higher buy average versus the sell average. So these are the top three right now. Ethereum is still quite a bit off. For every buy, there's two sells. Link is getting a little more tighter. So over time, that may move up as things progress, as I can generate this spreadsheet at any time I want. So knowing that, one more step that we could run is this one right here, which I just ran this. If you are on my Elite, you can get that script. All right, so let's go through this. This is the optimization because we only really have maybe 1 to 2 pairs that are worthwhile trading right now as the markets have moved down. And let me go to the beginning of this. So this is where the script is run. It involves up to 5 pairs, 5 coins, all in USDT. You can see here, this is the latest set of hours, quite volatile. Even TZOS is getting hit pretty hard. And that's the average return so far. Here we have a covariance. So what we're doing now is we're either going to do minimum variance portfolio or we're going to do a Markowitz portfolio, and we can combine that with either long only or short only. So what we're really looking for is our expected return. So if we did, for instance, a higher portion of 83% allocation, let's say we allocate $100 in trading and put 83% of it on Ethereum, our expected return would only be 1.56 versus, and then we only had about 16% for TZOS. Now, what we're looking for, obviously, is the highest rate of return. So this is pretty well it. So long only again, XTZ, 70% allocation with 30% Ethereum. We should be able to get maybe a 3.15% expected return, a decent Sharpe ratio on those combinations. Here we have a long and short, all the same. But the point I want to show now is really important. As you add more coins, and if they're all lagging, you will bring down your expected return. So this, from what I've seen, is the optimal weighting for the highest return of 3.15. If that's the case, we can still continue going through this. We have a long and short, same return. It doesn't make sense for me to do that with a short on Ethereum. We continue along, adding a minimum variance, long only, da 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 da. Let's see what else we get. Any other coins that we can add? So we have 3.15 added again. Nothing new. But now we're going to add in a third coin. So we have Tezos, Ethereum, and Link, Chainlink. You can see here, here's our average return. XTZ again at 4%, Link at 2%, and Ethereum at 1.11%. So when you kind of look at a long only allocation, where majority of it, let's say, is Ethereum, we're only going to get 1.39%. I don't know why they would come up with that, but 1.39. So as I said, as you add more coins, your expected return will drop. Usually you want to have no more than 2 for optimal or for the highest expected return from what I've seen, unless of course you have more coins in that selection that are just consistently having a very high performance rate of return over a certain number of hours. So here what it's saying is if we put in half, 52% in Tezos, we'd be able to boost our expected return a little bit, but we're still not getting the 3.1% that we want. And 2.82 might be the highest we get, 2.82. Now we're going to add in a fourth one with EOS. So we got Tezos, Ethereum, Link, or Chainlink, and EOS. So here's our return. But now, lately, EOS has been bringing in a negative return. So here, you can see our expected return will drop, and that's, of course, because of the negative returns that we've gotten with EOS, and it brings it down. So you can see it's only 0.954. Here is an interesting one, 2.21, but still not 3.1. So you may get some interesting combos that may bring up your estimated returns. So here it's saying the same thing at 2.2. You allocate 60% in the Ethereum, 20% in Tezos, 27% in Link, but do a short as well, 11%, to get this 2.21%. And same thing here. And we're back down to 2 combos, and that's it. All right, so I don't know what more to tell you there, but 3.12 seems to be the highest we'll get out of it with the Tezos and Ethereum, as I mentioned earlier. Yeah, pretty interesting stuff if you want my opinion. And I'm not sure if that'll help you out, but that's a better way to analyze the market. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.